Yo, 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 what's up? Rhys here. I'm here in the park. Here gives a little chance to take a look at it now. Before we had snow here, and now it's completely different. You guys can take a look. Once this was snow, once that was snow, and now snowless. Wow, very quick. This gives a little chance to see the park without the snow for once. As it is, I just got my coffee today. With this, can see, put the cup, rise it above to the sun, and saluting to you all out there. Cheers to you all with love. Okay, as you can see, sun up above. There is one thing that I want to take a look at. Let's just get up closer. I'll walk here. We done that statue way over there before. Let's go over here. There's a statue I want you guys to take a look at. I'm a fast walker, so this will come seen very, very quickly here. This here is a statue. What I get from this is a statue of TLC, togetherness, kindness, and love. Look. There. That's what that is. Not just that. Now is the time that we get into the money season a bit. It's almost springtime, guys. As you can see, in the park we have I'll zoom in. People playing in the park. Can see, look pretty happy. All's good. That's what I love to see. Is one being feeling happy and in his own. Okay, anyways, let's get my coffee in the scene there. Get my shoes. Oh, the sun just got brighter. Let's look back. Hey, can see someone's looking out. Over to the lake there. Lake looks nice and calm. Looking pretty good. Cheers to that one. Okay. Get the view in there. Okay, plans for more nature walks. I'll post my cup just right there, and I'll tell you on some plans that we'll be doing for more nature walks. Okay, so the plan is that I know I do my nature walks here in Nelson, BC, but because of spring, I'm gonna try go over and doing nature walks elsewhere, like probably maybe Taghum or other places, wherever there's other stuff out there. So you'll be seeing nature walks elsewhere, and that's me doing nature walks over here in Nelson here. But just wanted to let you know because I want to be adventurous and get out there and do some more discovery. We might even see even more stuff elsewhere. So I just wanted to let you know. Anyways, yeah, just want to see how you guys are doing. Hope you guys are doing well. Been thinking about you lots, and I hope you are being nice and safe, and keeping you all in my prayers. I'm doing great. So far, good. Other things just wanted to say is that hope you enjoyed all the trick videos for this worldwide family tricks videos. Got lots on there. Really good, very cool stuff. I was thinking about doing like a side video with that too. Instead of 6, we might get in at 7. It all depends. Hope you enjoy these tricks. Hope you got lots of it, so you can pull them off and bring the light and joy with them as well too. Anyways, just look back again and see more of the scenery. Let's maybe just try and maybe get up a little bit more, and let's see some more. So that's my plans on what you'll be seeing is nature walks elsewhere. But if I do get into the heart of downtown, I'll be doing some in towns vids as well. But yeah, so just want to get that out to you guys as well too. You can see it's on raking the leaves. Just put my coffee down here. I'll zoom in. Close up at the raking leaves. The cleanup. Okay, anyways, my coffee's down here. Coffee laid up close. Get some people walking there. There's a dog there. Look at the bark.
Look at that doggy. Hi, doggy.
Here's a nice good bench. I guess it's sit down there for a while there.